Keys are used every day. They're often held together and organized by keychains. But we saw a problem. Opening doors using a big keychain are painful tasks, and even taking out or putting them in your pants results in damaged pockets. Introducing Rhinokey, a versatile, everyday carry multi-tool key organizer with built-in functions used for daily tasks, compact and functional at the same time. Organize and stack unlimited different keys the way you want, making them accessible at any time. And then there's this, a built-in LED light, perfect at the moment when you need it. No more small, loose hanging lights on your keychain. Rhinokey is engineered to be functional at the same time, so you will always have the essential tools right in your pocket at any time. Oh yeah, it's also a bottle opener. Designing Rhinokey was a challenging part. We started with designing in CAD programs and used 3D prints to get a look and feel of the prototype. We collaborated with high-quality CNC machining companies who could manufacture Rhinokey. Now we need your help, making you a part of our project, but we need your funds to make it happen. To back us, click the Back This Project button and select your reward, making you our project collaborator. Share it with your friends on social media. Oh yes, and did we mention it was also a bottle opener?